This is an interesting question. I am retiring very soon and I just have over £500,000 in my pot. I know I want to go down the drawdown route, and with my current pension savings plan, all has to be transferred out of the current plan to do something else to access any of it. So my questions are, should I seek independent financial advice before I move it, or select a provider and then use their advice on investments and options? I'm a bit wary of multiple people taking their percentage before I see any of it. Right, first and foremost, yes, 100% seek some financial advice. Ultimately, I would personally need to understand why you need to move the 500,000. Is it due to not having flexible access, or is it the final salary scheme? There's a lot of details missed out in this question. And obviously, regarding fees, to be brutally honest, it's a standard across the board ultimately. But yes, to be conscious of fees is a good thing.